Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to connect your form responses with OneDrive. So first of all, I've opened an already created form and under this I have a section called responses. So when I click onto the responses, I'll have this option to integrate my form responses with different options available over here. So I'm selecting onto OneDrive. So when I click onto this OneDrive option, I'll be able to see this option to select folder. So as soon as I click onto this option, I'll be redirected to the OneDrive tab and I'll be asked to select one particular folder from here. So I'll select this OneDrive folder itself, and under this I'm selecting Bolo Forms and clicking select. So now this particular form has been connected to OneDrive. So let's test this out now. I'm copying this form link, filling out myself to check if it's working. So we'll check it under the form responses now. When I click onto the view folder option over here, I'll be redirected to the OneDrive tab automatically. So under Bolo Forms, I'm able to see this particular response from hello@gmail.com. And when I click onto the response PDF, I'll be able to view the PDF right away. So it will have the timestamp and the date in which this particular form was filled in order to ensure the legality and security of this particular form. So I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thank you.